Your car has a couple of features that you don't even know exist. Hidden tools that can save you money, time, and stress. Today, I'm revealing 21 of them, including a secret car feature unknown to 99% of people. Feature number 9 is by far the most effective. You'll want to grab your keys and check it immediately. Starting with feature number 21, the hidden fuel arrow on your gas gauge. Look at your fuel gauge right now. Next to the little gas pump icon, there is often a tiny arrow. Most drivers never notice it. It shows which side of the car the fuel door is on. If the arrow points left, your gas cap is on the left side. If it points right, the gas cap is on the right side. Simple, but here's the thing. Most people only discover this after years of driving the same car. This tiny arrow becomes very helpful when you're driving a brand new car, a rental car, or even a friend's car. Instead of guessing at the gas station, you instantly know which side to pull up on. And once you see that little arrow, you may start noticing something else in your car that moves. But most drivers never use it properly. Feature number 20, sun visor extension trick. Think about the last time the sun hit your eyes while driving. You flip the sun visor down, hoping it blocks the light, but the sun still sneaks in from the side. Most drivers think the visor only flips down. That's it. Nothing more. But in many cars, the sun visor actually slides or extends. Try this the next time you're in your car. Pull the visor toward the side window. In many vehicles, it slides out several inches. Some even extend like a small panel. Suddenly, that blinding sunlight from the side window is blocked. This helps a lot during sunset drives, when the sun sits low and hits your eyes from the side. Next, there's a part of your car you touch every day, but rarely adjust for comfort. Feature number 19, the steering wheel, tilt and telescope. Most drivers know the steering wheel can tilt up or down. There is usually a small lever under the steering column. Pull it and the wheel moves. But many steering wheels do something else too. They telescope. That means the steering wheel can move closer to you or farther away, not just up and down. Try this in your car. Pull the steering wheel towards you, then push it away. Many drivers are surprised when it actually slides. This helps you find a much better driving position. Your arms stay relaxed. Your shoulders feel less tight. Long drives become easier. But here's the strange part. Many people drive the same car for years and never adjust it once. They just accept whatever position the factory sets. Speaking of hidden adjustments, your trunk is hiding a life-saving secret. Feature number 18, the emergency trunk release. Open your trunk the next time you're near your car. Look inside carefully. You may see a small handle that glows in the dark. Most drivers have never noticed it. That handle is an emergency trunk release. If someone ever gets trapped inside the trunk, pulling that handle will open it from the inside. It may sound strange, but this feature became required after several real cases where people were accidentally locked in trunks. So car makers added this safety system. The handle usually glows in the dark, so it can be seen even if the trunk is completely closed. Pull it once, and the trunk pops open. But while the trunk keeps you safe, your key fob has a cool surprise for hot days. Feature number 17, key fob window roll down feature. Here's something many drivers discover by accident. Walk up to your car on a hot day. Instead of opening the door right away, press the unlock button on your key fob and hold it for a few seconds. On many cars, something surprising happens. All the windows start rolling down by themselves. This feature is designed to release hot air from the cabin before you even step inside. If your car has been sitting in the sun, the inside can be 20 to 40 degrees hotter than outside. But with this trick, you can vent all that heat in seconds. Some cars even open the sunroof at the same time. Most owners never discover this because the manual rarely mentions it clearly. Still on that key fob, there's an even more surprising secret tucked inside. Feature number 16, the secret key hidden inside your key fob. You can actually find a hidden metal key tucked inside. Most drivers have no idea it's even there. If your fob battery dies or your car battery is dead, this tiny key lets you unlock the driver's door manually. No fuss, no calling a locksmith, no panic. To find it, look for a small button or latch on the fob. Slide it, and out pops a slim metal key perfectly shaped for your car door. Many people keep their fob for years and never realize they already have a backup key in their pocket. Do you find this feature helpful? If so, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more car secrets you'll wish you knew sooner. Next, a hidden switch can save you from a car that refuses to start. Feature number 15, the fuel pump shutoff switch. Here's one that can save you a headache and maybe a tow truck bill. Many cars have a fuel pump shutoff switch, also called an inertia switch. It's designed to cut off the fuel pump in a crash, preventing fires. But here's the catch. Sometimes a hard jolt from a pothole or minor accident can trigger it. Your car might suddenly refuse to start, even if everything else seems fine. The switch is usually hidden under the dashboard or behind the glove box. A quick press or reset brings the fuel pump back online, and your car starts right up. Most drivers would never think to check this and might call a mechanic immediately. While we're talking hidden controls, there's a button that can defog your windshield in half the time. Feature number 14, the AC button that improves defrosting. When your windshield fogs up, many people just turn on the heat and wait, but the fog often sticks around longer than it should. The secret? Turn on the AC along with the heat. Even in winter, the AC removes moisture from the air, clearing the windshield much faster. You get a clear view in seconds instead of minutes. Some cars even have a small AC light that comes on automatically when defrost mode is selected. But many drivers don't realize they can manually use it anytime. And while your AC works behind the scenes, your car can secretly limit power when needed. Feature number 13, the Valet mode that limits power. This one I'm sure 99% of drivers don't know about. Many modern cars have a valet mode hidden in the menu or controlled by a button on the key fob. When activated, it does a few things. Limits engine power so the car can't be driven aggressively. Locks the glove box and trunk to protect valuables. Restricts infotainment access, keeping your personal data safe. It's perfect when you hand your car over to a valet or even a friend you don't fully trust. Speaking of emergency escapes, there's a part of your seat that can actually break glass. And while the car is keeping its power in check, there's another hidden escape feature tucked away that you probably haven't noticed yet. Feature number 12. The headrest can break a window. Most car headrests are more than just cushions for your head. They can actually be used as a life-saving tool in an emergency. If you ever get trapped inside your car, or if someone else needs a way out, the metal prongs inside the headrest can be used to shatter a side window. Here's how it works. Pull the headrest straight out of the seat. The metal rods inside are strong and pointed. Press one end against a corner of the side window and strike it firmly. The glass shatters quickly, giving you a fast escape. Many drivers never think about this until it's too late. Headrests are standard in almost every car, but their emergency use is completely overlooked. Once you know that, you'll start lifting panels and discover hidden storage in your trunk. Feature number 11. The secret compartment under many trunks. Drivers think the trunk is just one big space for groceries or luggage. But in many cars, there's a hidden compartment under the trunk floor that goes unnoticed. Lift the floor panel, and you might find a spare tire, emergency tools, or even extra storage for valuables. Some vehicles even have deep storage bins perfect for keeping small items organized and out of sight. What's surprising is how often this space is ignored. People pack their trunks full, never realizing there's an extra layer below waiting to be used. It's especially handy for emergency kits, jumper cables, or safety gear, so it's always within reach, but never in the way. In newer cars, some hidden compartments even have small cubbies or trays designed to hold cleaning supplies, first aid kits, or roadside tools. Once you start exploring, you'll realize your car has more secret storage than you imagined. While organizing your trunk, here's a trick to completely reduce your blind spots. Feature number 10. The side mirror. Anti-blind spot trick. Blind spots can be dangerous, but your side mirrors can actually do a lot more than just reflect traffic behind you. Most people angle their mirrors toward the side of their car. That's the default setting, but it leaves a big blind spot. There's a simple trick. Move your mirrors slightly outward, just enough that you can barely see the edge of your own car. This adjustment dramatically reduces the area where another vehicle can hide, making lane changes much safer. Some drivers are shocked at how much more visibility they suddenly have. It takes only a minute to set up, but it can prevent accidents that happen in a split second. And if you've ever lost your car in a massive parking lot, the next feature will blow your mind. Feature number 9, the panic button parking lot trick. This is the one I told you about earlier. Losing your car in a huge parking lot can be stressful, especially after a long day or during a busy event. But most people don't realize your key fob has a hidden lifesaver built in, the panic button. Press it once, and your car's horn blasts while the lights flash, making it easier to spot from a distance. But here's the secret trick few drivers know. Press the lock button repeatedly while holding the fob near your body. On many cars, this causes the horn and lights to activate, letting you locate your vehicle even in the farthest corner of a lot. It's a feature that was originally designed for safety, alerting people if someone is approaching your car, but it doubles perfectly as a find your car tool. And if you need more on car theft prevention, check out the video above. It will help you prevent car theft in 3 seconds. Once you master that, there's another hidden feature keeping your car's air clean. Feature number 8, the cabin air filter most people never change. Your car's cabin air filter is one of the most overlooked parts of your vehicle, yet it has a huge impact on your comfort and safety. It's usually hidden behind the glove box, under the dashboard, or beneath the hood. Most drivers don't even know it exists. The cabin air filter traps dust, pollen, and other particles, keeping the air inside your car clean. When it gets clogged, airflow weakens, the AC and heater work less efficiently, and your windows fog up faster. A dirty filter can also cause unpleasant odors inside the car. Changing it is usually simple. Open the panel, slide out the old filter, and insert a new one. Some filters even have activated carbon to remove odors. Many people drive their car for years without ever checking it, unaware that a simple replacement can improve air quality and prevent minor health issues, especially for allergy sufferers. And speaking of overlooked controls, your rear wiper has a hidden button most people never notice. Feature number 7, the secret rear wiper button. Most drivers focus on the front windshield and forget about the rear wiper. But in many SUVs and hatchbacks, the rear wiper has a hidden control that few people notice. It's often tucked on the turn signal stalk, twist knob, or a small button near the dashboard. This secret control allows you to activate the rear wiper independently from the front wipers, giving you better visibility in rain, snow, or mud without wasting the front wipers. Some cars even let you adjust the speed or set intermittent wiping, which is perfect when the rear window only needs a little clearing. Why do so few drivers know about it? The control is small, sometimes marked with a tiny icon and buried among other buttons. Most people just rely on the default windshield wiper controls and miss this useful feature entirely. While clearing the rear window, check inside the fuel door. Your gas cap has a secret holder. Feature number 6, the gas cap holder inside the fuel door. Here's a feature almost nobody uses, even though it's been in cars for years. Many vehicles have a small hook or plastic slot inside the fuel door, a hidden holder for your gas cap. Why is it there? Simple. When you remove the gas cap to fill up, you can hang it on this holder instead of letting it dangle or rest on the car's paint. This prevents scratches, dents, and annoying drips, keeping your car cleaner and safer. It's easy to miss because the holder is small and blends into the fuel door. Many drivers just tuck the cap under their arm, leave it dangling, or place it on the pump, not realizing they're scratching their car or creating a mess. Next time you fill up, try using the hidden hook. Once you do, you might notice another small secret that can get your car out of park when the battery dies. Feature number 5, the transmission shift lock release. Have you ever been stuck in park and your car refused to move? It happens more often than you think, usually when the battery dies or the brake switch malfunctions. Most drivers panic, thinking the car is broken, but there's a hidden feature that can fix it instantly: the shift lock release. This small slot is usually located near the base of the gear shifter. On most vehicles, it's covered by a tiny plastic panel. To use it, simply insert a key, screwdriver, or another narrow object, press down, and you can move the shifter out of park. Your car is now free to roll again, no towing required. It's designed as a manual override for situations where the automatic system fails, yet most drivers never even know it exists. Mechanics know this trick well, but everyday car owners rarely discover it until an emergency. Speaking of hidden powers, you can start your car remotely without a remote start system. Feature number 4. The key fob remote start trick, without remote start. Here's a surprising trick for cars that don't have a remote start system. Many people assume only high-end models let you start the engine from outside, but some vehicles have a hidden remote start feature built into the key fob. The trick usually involves pressing the lock button 3 times in a row while holding the fob near your body. On certain cars, this sequence actually starts the engine, warms up or cools down the cabin, and even gets the defroster going before you step inside. It's perfect for cold mornings or scorching summer afternoons. Instead of jumping into an ice-cold or overheated car, you can step into a vehicle that's already comfortable. Most drivers never know this exists because it's rarely mentioned in the manual, and dealerships don't always advertise it. Once you discover this, you start realizing your car has other hidden controls on the steering wheel that can operate functions without ever touching the dashboard. Feature number 3. The steering wheel audio controls hidden on the back. Your steering wheel does more than just steer your car. In many vehicles, there are hidden buttons on the back of the wheel that most drivers never notice. These buttons can control volume, skip tracks, or answer phone calls without taking your hands off the wheel. Some cars even let you mute the audio or scroll through menus using these hidden controls. The trick is simple. Reach behind the wheel near the spokes, and you'll feel tiny buttons. Press them, and the car responds immediately. Once you try it, driving becomes safer and more convenient. You can adjust audio or take calls without ever looking away from the road. Many drivers never explore this feature and only use the visible buttons on the front of the wheel, missing out on this convenient shortcut entirely. And if you think your speedometer is just a dial, there's a hidden mode revealing more than you imagine. Feature number 2. The hidden speedometer calibration mode. Some cars hide a feature that most drivers never even know exists, a speedometer calibration or diagnostic mode. It's usually accessed through a specific button sequence on the dashboard, like pressing the odometer reset button while turning the ignition on. Once activated, the car can display real-time information that the standard dashboard doesn't show. You might see the actual speed, battery voltage, engine temperature, or even error codes without a scanner. Mechanics often use this mode to quickly check the car's health, but everyday drivers rarely discover it. Why does it matter? Because it lets you catch small issues early, verify if your speedometer is accurate, or monitor vital stats on older vehicles without expensive tools. Most people never even try to explore the dashboard menus beyond the obvious. Finally, the one feature most drivers don't realize is running even when it looks off. Feature number 1. The AC always-on secret. Here's the one that surprises almost everyone. Even when your AC light is off, many modern cars are still running the air conditioning compressor in the background. It happens during defrost mode, humidity control, or even engine efficiency adjustments. The system automatically engages the AC to remove moisture from the air, keep windows clear, and maintain optimal performance. Most drivers assume their AC is off and not using power, but the truth is, your car could be using extra fuel without you realizing it. Some mechanics call it a silent energy drain, while others say it's a safety and efficiency feature that's just misunderstood. It's controversial because drivers feel like they're paying for something they didn't ask for, yet it's designed to protect the car, improve comfort, and prevent foggy windows. Not all features in your car are actually helpful. Some are silently hurting performance, wasting gas, or even affecting safety. Don't wait until it's too late. click the video below to see which ones you need to disable.